Hello everyone, I am Zona and my team members Arik and Jason from Bethany Navajeevan Senior Secondary School in India. Team Save the Environment, Sub-Team Life on Land are here to share a story under the theme Save the Environment with focus on saving birds. We utilize text-to-speech and video player extension to develop the story. This is the story of three friends who are deeply passionate about exploring and discovering new things about bird species. While walking in the forest, they were engrossed in conversation about this. The man approached and introduced himself. His name is Salim Ali, known as the Batsman of India. He offered them some valuable advice inspired by his words. They embarked on a journey to research and save endangered bird species. Let's see the output.
Save birds. Once upon a time in a little village nestled amidst the lush greenery of India, there were three friends, Joanna, Jacinth and Arik. These friends shared a deep love for nature, especially birds.
You know what, guys? I've been thinking. I want to explore every corner of India and discover new species of birds that have never been documented before.
That sounds amazing, Aman. We could contribute to the scientific community and help conserve our precious wildlife. Yes, and by raising awareness about the importance of protecting these birds and their habitats, we can inspire others to join you. In our mission.
Hello, young bird enthusiasts. I couldn't help but overhear your conversation.
Who are you, sir? And how much did you hear?
My name is Salim Ali, but you can call me Uncle Salim. And I heard enough to know that you three are destined for greatness in the world of ornithology.
Uncle Salim, are you the famous birdman of India?
Yes, indeed. But I prefer to think of myself as a humble steward of nature, much like yourselves. I've spent my life studying and protecting our feathered friends.
Uncle Salim, what advice do you have for us aspiring bird enthusiasts?
My dear children, always approach nature with humility, curiosity, and respect. Keep your eyes and ears open, for there is always something new to discover. And never forget the importance of conservation efforts to ensure that future generations can also marvel at the beauty of our avian companions. Let's do it, guys. Together, we'll explore, discover, and protect the birds of India.
If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Just come and listen.